Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Holden Captiva 7 CX, stock reference number 52796. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has 3 small dents. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard has 1 small dent, and the right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.